Hey guys, it's me Rahul, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a logo using AI. So the tool I'm about to show you will create a logo using AI from the keywords and everything that you give it. So the tool is called brandmark.io. So you go to this website, then you click on create my logo button. So then this page will pop up and you have to give the brand name, which will be part of your logo. So I will give project 101, right? And then you can give the slogan if you have any, then click on this arrow mark. And on this here, you have to give the keyword, which basically represents the brand, what we are doing. So we will do how to videos. I'll not put videos, how to tech. So educational, right? So that is what we do. Click on the arrow once again, and then here you can basically select the logo's color palette. So I will go for soft pastel. So then click on next, and within few seconds you will see all the logos which the AI has generated for you. So here you have some really nice logos, so you can basically navigate through all of it by clicking on the next logo, right? And you can select any one which you like. So let me go for this one. This looks pretty cool. If you want to actually buy this logo, you have to pay. But what you can do is you basically can click here, open up the logo in a bit bigger size. Then what you can do is take a screenshot, then save it. And it is absolutely perfect for any minimal use. But if you want a high quality logo, what I would recommend is import the picture onto Photoshop and basically draw the logo on top of it. So that's been it. Hope you guys liked it, and bye-bye.